If you ever had a customer claim an item was missing from their order, or you have to dig through hours of security footage to find exactly what you're looking for, you know how frustrating and expensive that can be. The proof is usually there. The challenge is finding it fast without slowing down your team. And that's why we built vAudit. vAudit is designed so that anyone from your warehouse can start using the video logging solution without extensive setup or training. Now let's see how your teams can get searchable video proof for every order without changing how they work. Now let me fulfill an order to show you how vAudit Video Logger works in real time. The process is very simple. The packer doesn't need to do anything extra. It goes within its existing workflow. All the packer needs to do is scan the order ID. Now the video is being recorded. You can also see the same indication on the display. Now let's do the pack. The best part about vAudit is that every time you scan a new barcode, vAudit takes a still image and drops a marker on the video timeline. This comes in handy for QA teams, support teams to know which SKU was packed when. They can instantly go to the timeline and pick the SKU that they are looking for. Now I've packed all the items in this order. I will have the still images of every SKU that was placed inside this box and the exact marker in the video. So once the packer has got all the items inside the order, all he needs to do is scan the order ID again to stop recording. Now let's pull up the packing video from vAudit Forge. I just type in the order ID and here it is. From here you can download the entire packing video and also the still images. So one click opens the video complete with every scan marker in the timeline. You also get still images for all the SKUs you scanned here. You also get a shareable link to the packing video if you want to share it with your customer support agent or the customer himself. And if you are running your fulfillment with Shopify, the video link is automatically attached to that specific order on Shopify. And that's how easy it is to use vAudit. You don't need to change the way you pack, you just get the proof built into your process. So, stop digging hours for footage and start finding exactly what you need in seconds with vAudit Video Logger.